Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here today. Super short, super sweet video because I just want to show you it's all in the details, okay? This is why you really have to look closely when you're fixing a car. With my best friend,
lifting our engine mounts to Jesus because you lift me up.
Yeah, I think those are girl glasses. I think these are actually for a girl, but they were like $5 or something at the local store. Not that I didn't need them. No, I don't need glasses like this. Okay, you know where I'm sitting, right? You know what this is. Yep, we're in Kris Kross. Well, the seat's missing. That's why I'm sitting kind of low. I can't see over the steering wheel, okay? Seat is missing because my airbag light was on. So what I was going to do, I was just going to buy the airbag sensor and just put it in there and not say anything, okay? I didn't think it was video worthy, okay? I ran the codes and it said that there was something wrong in the coding of the driver's side impact sensor, okay? Which happens to be right there, okay? Right betwixt my legs. That's not even a word, is it? Betwixt? Okay, yeah, so the seat has to come out. And I ordered one on eBay. You know, you open lift up the carpet, you take a look, you see that it is a certain number and you order it on eBay. Today I was going to put the seat back in and then wait for the part to come in. But something happened. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. This is why you have to look very, very closely. Let me show you what's going on. I have vacuumed this. I still need to clean it because look how gross. Look at that. I don't know. Kris Kross was a slob. Whoever had this car and before me was a slob. So I'm moving the carpet so I can take a look at the sensor. Okay, that's it right there. See it? Let's see if I can move the carpet a little more. There it is right there. Okay, so what I was doing, I was just trying to tug this way to take this off so I could remove this. I tugged this way and look. Look. Oh, yeah. What happened? I don't know if a mouse has been in here. I don't see any droppings. The car's been gone for a while. Fortunately, I do have enough of this, okay? The end pieces, they're right up under here. So if I move the carpet a little more, I can actually splice these back together and we should finally be rid of the airbag light on the dash. Yeah, it's right there, okay? We're gonna try to, yikes, we're gonna try to fix this. All right, we are preparing for our operation, okay? And I've already misplaced my glasses. What did I do with them? Okay, well, never mind. Here's what's going on. Yeah, I don't see any rat poop, but I do have some frayed wires, okay? So all I have to do is connect these with these right here, wrap them up, make sure they're not gonna touch each other, and hopefully the airbag light will go, it will be gone. So let's see if I can do this without embarrassing myself. All right, let's just kind of see what happens. Okay, I have failed you. I'm sorry. I thought I hit record when I was Chicago electric welding those little wires together. Look at that. This thing is really nice. It heats up, you get a little light. Woo, woo. Okay, and it works great. But I didn't hit record. Okay, and I don't have any shrink wrap tubing, so I had to use electrical tape. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to give it a test, and if it works, then we'll wrap the rest of it up. Okay, we're back in business. I got my trusty car soft here. Sorry about the glare. Let's see if I can fix it. Because this is really a Mercedes in Crossfire clothing, I can use my MB2 iCar soft because it's really a W170, an SLK. So we're going to go here. It's going to ask me a couple of questions. Left hand steering, go back up. What am I doing? I can't see. Okay. Left hand steering, the 320. Now it's going to go through maybe one more question. Manual or automatic, I believe. Okay, we got a manual. And, okay, well, let's see. Let's just go right to airbag. Usually it goes through all of the computers. System initialized. Read fault. Seatbelt buckle switch. Short circuit to positive. What happened to my airbag light? Let's just clear everything. And let's take a look at the actual values. All data stream. And this will take a look at the airbags. Okay, 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 okay. Maximum numbers, delete it to record more again. Ignition, belt buckle. Airbag, emergency, transmission retractor off. Because I guess the car's not on. Off. Side bag, ignition, circuit, driver. Okay. Driver's side airbag sensor. Okay, so now we have everything connected. It's all okay. So let's start the car and see what happens. Let's start the car. Now, do we have an airbag light? Ha ha ha! No, we don't. No, we don't. Job well done. I gotta fix the check engine light. Let's see what that is. We gotta read the codes for that. Then we got the TPMS and add some windshield washer fluid. Alrighty, loving it, loving it. We're back going through the codes again. Let's see what's wrong with the engine. Hopefully nothing huge. Okay. Let's go to motor electronics. And let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. Fault memory. Oh, that's fun. Fault code is not found in the database. Fault code is not found in the database. Fault code is not found in the database. So, let's just clear it and see what happens. Since it's not found, can't be that serious. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Off. On. Look, airbag light is off. Check engine light is off. We only have one more, well, two more little lights to go. Look at that. Oh, Kris Kross. You're coming back, baby. You're coming back. And look at that. She is all buttoned up and looking pretty. Another thing to fix, super easy. Yep, got this off of eBay. This guy's kind of just been dangling. See, look how much better it's gonna look. Ooh, beautiful. All right, this is very easy to do. Just snap the bulb in. Sorry about the camera work. There we go, here it snap. Okay, then you want to go from the back to the front. So let's put this here, go from the back, snap it in, and look, voila. See? So the right side matches the left side. Only thing really we have left to do, windshield trim. Yeah, I have the two middle pieces, but somebody, some amazing YouTube person who I cannot speak highly enough of, has offered, well, maybe it's not a done deal, but they need the center shifter bezel, okay? So, if I can find this, we're going to hopefully send it to them. What did I do with it? Where has Mike put his bezel? Mike's bezel is begone. Okay, well, we will find that, and then we will get that to the person. Okay, I am so sorry about this mess. Look how horrible this is. Yeah, it's terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. And I still can't find the bezel. Okay, well, folks, I don't know how much time this has taken of your day. I don't know how much longer I can prolong the ending of the video. I'm just trying to get to 10 minutes, to be honest. No, I don't know. I don't know how long this is, but I think Kris Kross is looking much, much better. See, yeah, she's looking much, much, much better. Well, yep, Beazle is back, baby. I don't know if this is in perfect condition, but I will certainly clean it up, and I'm going to send it to this very fine individual who said they might trade me the top windshield trim for this. Okay, I can tell you the boot is a little ripped up, but I'll clean this up and take some pictures and send it to him. And even if we don't trade, if you want it, you can have it. All right, so I think that's going to do it for Kris Kross. Looking good, sounding even better, driving even better yet. So what else can we do to the car? I don't know. If you can think of something, let me know, folks. I haven't had a shower or anything. Yeah, COVID-19 is not good for the face. Oh, yeah, look at the hat my daughter gave me. Yeah, I have a grandson. Don't worry, Grandpa can fix it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I wear this all the time. So, Julia, if you happen to watch this, thank you. And thank you for watching as well, folks. So please like, please subscribe. We're going to get this one ready to go, and then I have another 5, 6 down the pipeline. Okay? Have a great day. Stay safe out there. Wear those masks if you're going out in public. Okay? Yeah, not for you, for the other people. Okay, bye, everybody.